The next evolution step of component digitalization will be the replacement of the mechanical overspeed governor. With our safe system, which includes a CL3 rated sensor to provide a safe position feedback, as well as our CL3 rated position supervisor unit to trigger safe position and speed relevant elevator and safety functions according to EN 8120, 21 and 50, we did the first step. With this solution, we can replace a lot of components to clean up the shaft. The logical next step now is to replace also the mechanical overspeed governor. We would be happy to invite you to have technology meetings where we can figure out your individual needs as well as show you our ideas and concepts. Together with our technology partner Variotech, an Austrian company with expert knowledge in the field of safety components for elevator technology and selected component manufacturers, we have already concepts and made tower tests which we would like to discuss with you in personal meetings. Within our concept, we would like to do more than only replacing the mechanical speed governor, which provides passengers as you and me a safe backup system in case of emergency. No, we would like to go a step forward and also increase the safety standard for people who do the installation and maintenance processes day by day in the field. Here we are speaking about creating position and speed related shelters during the installation and maintenance cycles. Our goal is to trigger the electromechanical safety gear also in a phase where the controller is not implemented. A safe position and speed feedback, which is provided by a CL3 certified sensor system, plays also here an essential role. Please have a look to the video which we also provide in our YouTube channel and on our website. There you can see more details about the principal concepts and the safety concepts in general, including the idea of smart teaching the nominal speed on the individual elevator installation. Beside the reliable triggering of the electromechanical safety gear, which is a must-have, we see the benefit of our concepts mainly in creating safety areas and having a smart teaching process of nominal speed. The teaching process must be safe and should be easy. Easy teaching means, on the one hand, for the employees who have the authority to teach the speed, as well as, on the other hand, for the notified bodies who finally must check the whole elevator installation with its safety relevant components, that must be easy for them to check if the right speed values, for example, are taught. In general, we have two use cases which we would like to discuss together with you in personal meetings. The first one is that the sensor triggers directly the electromechanical safety gear. The second one is that we combine our CL3 rated sensor system, which triggers the electromechanical safety gear and can also be combined with our PSU to trigger the elevator and safety functions which are already certified today in accordance with EN 8120, 21 and 50. We are looking forward to discuss all these details, ideas and concepts together with you as a controller manufacturer, elevator manufacturer, component manufacturer, or also as US certified bodies. Let's do the next step together. Digitalization and functional safety will open all of us new doors to prepare the future.